make it your way. Subway, make it your way, baby. Let's go. It's your boy. Busting out some Subway today. I'm stoked about this. Haven't had Subway forever. Got that meatball with fresh mozzarella, spinach. Obviously gotta have the onion and some jalapenos. Ooh, on this meatball subby. Let's go. Yo, this looks delicious. Let's chop into it. The crunch of the onion, the jalapeno to give it that kick, the fresh mozzarella. Look at that. And I like spinach. Don't forget the bed. If you like spicy, I recommend trying the jalapenos on this meatball subby. 10 out of 10. Subscribe. It's your boy, Johnny Fighter Girl. Toodles.